Welcome back to Living 808. You know, Maryknoll School has an open house coming up.
That's right. And for that, Kelly is in the Living 808 Lounge to learn more.
Maryknoll School is celebrating 95 years of co-ed Catholic education, and they have an upcoming open house that you won't want to miss. Now, joining us with all the details on the open house, as well as the school itself, is Camille Michael, who's the Director of Enrollment Management at Maryknoll School. We also have Brennan, who's an 8th grader, and Jasmine, who is a senior at Maryknoll. Aloha, you guys. Thanks for being here.
Thank you. We're so glad to be here, and like you said, so happy to be celebrating our 95th anniversary at Maryknoll School.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
And not only are you celebrating so many great years, but you also have a wonderful open house. So can you tell us about that?
Yeah, and you know, open house for any parent who's looking for an educational home for their student is really important, because we want, you know, parents and families to come and experience us, you know, get a feel for our vibe, see what that's like, and we are all hands on deck for open house. So our faculty, our staff, some of our students, coaches, even our alumni council members will be there just to share about Maryknoll School and get any questions parents have answered, and really just to help parents and families understand the full educational experience, the journey they can take with us at Maryknoll School from pre-K all the way to grade 12.
Definitely. And speaking of pre-K, you guys have actually been attending Maryknoll since either pre-K or kindergarten. So, Brendan, tell me some of the highlights that you've had.
Some of the highlights I've had are getting to be the student council president for 2 years in a row, because I get to give back to the school after what they had given me over the time I've been at Maryknoll, and it's been such a great experience.
Wonderful. And what about you? What are some highlights?
For me, I feel like Maryknoll provides such a comprehensive experience in terms of academic, social life, and athletic events, for example. So for me, I'd say social events, big dances. I've gotten to grow up with a lot of my friends, so I've been through a lot of these activities with them. And in terms of academics, the teachers are very involved.
That's wonderful. So for those who are, you know, trying to decide where to send their keiki to school, or kids that are looking to potentially start a new school, what would you say to parents or kids that are considering a new school?
I think that they should really look long-term. As I've been at Maryknoll since pre-K, it's a long journey, and you have to take into consideration how your child's going to grow and develop at the institution they're going to be attending.
Definitely. And speaking of, you're a senior, so that's incredible. You were there your entire childhood. Yeah. Now where are you going to be off to?
Right now, I'm applying early to Stanford, USC and ASU Barrett.
Okay, wonderful. Good luck.
Thank
Excited
you.
to see where you end up. But how do you think, as a senior now, and going to be going off into the world, how do you think Maryknoll's really prepared you for the future in terms of both education as well as the social aspects?
In terms of education, like I mentioned, the teachers are very involved and the counselors are truly invested in your future. So I know for me, I have large leadership roles at the high school, and they're very supportive of helping me manage that, because a lot of my advanced level classes, my teachers are also my advisors. So they're very supportive just all around.
Wonderful. And speaking of being active and involved, Brennan, I hear that you do quite a lot at Maryknoll School. So can you share a bit about what you've been up to?
Since I'm the student council president, I've been planning like field days and stuff to kind of bond the middle school and to just try to get to have fun with your friends and not just be totally all academic. You know, school is not just that. It's just you're meant to be able to bond with others and get to be like just you know, have a fun time.
I love that, and I think that's something that's so important, and something that, looking back on my school experience, that I wish I kind of dove into that more. I was very laser focused on the grades and the education, but that is so true. You know, the experiences that you make with the friends that you grew up with is such a key thing. So what's your advice for students who are looking for great experiences like that and looking to get the most out of their school?
Maryknoll it's a small school, but it's good that way because you get to know everybody, you get to be friends with everybody, and just always pay attention, and it's a very good school to be at.
Wonderful. Well, I'm excited to see where you guys go. I mean, it's incredible. I mean, you can already tell, right? So well-spoken and so wonderful. So I'm excited to see where the future takes both of you. But for those who are looking for where to take their keiki in the future, what are the details again on the open house, and where can we learn more?
Our open house is on Sunday, November 6th from 1 to 4 p.m. And much like a real estate open house, people can come whenever it's convenient for them to arrive and then stay however long they need to get the information that they want to make a choice about their school.
Definitely. And for those who do want to learn more information about Maryknoll School, you know, maybe do a little research on their own, what's a good website for you, or where can we go to learn more?
They can visit us at www.maryknollschool.org, and to register for open house so that we can be prepared for parents, families to arrive and look for you to come. Register for open house at www.maryknollschool.org/open house.
Perfect. All right, thank you so much, Camille, for being here. Brennan, of course, Jasmine, we love to see all that you guys are going to be doing. Good luck to you. And of course, we'll have a link to their website on our website at KHON2.com, so you can find out more about Maryknoll School and of course the great open house that you won't want to miss. Thanks so much, you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Perfect stuff. A lot of stuff going on over there.
Yeah, no, super talented individuals. Check out past segments we've done at Maryknoll School so that you guys can meet some of the staff and some other students as well.